Everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the incoming call and outgoing call problem in your device in Mi Note 11s. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue regarding the incoming and outgoing call, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve the incoming and outgoing call problems in your device.